If you have 0 followers or it feels like you do, and you're thinking, I can't build authority until I have an audience, I'm going to tell you the truth that will set you free. Authority is not about a follower count, it's not about likes, and it's not about views. Authority is when someone trusts you enough to let you guide their decision. That's it. And in 2026, this is the real advantage that you have if you're unknown. You can build authority from scratch. No performance, no pretending, no pressure to entertain, just clarity, conviction, and service. So if you've been feeling stuck chasing likes, posting random content, or wondering why your work isn't turning into clients, this video is for you, because I'm going to show you how exactly to build authority from scratch with no audience and how to turn that authority into demand that attracts clients, not through hype, but through a disciplined system. I'm Christian Graham, co-founder of Americross Media and the MK Lab, and I help high-performing brands and businesses scale authority and demand online through content and paid ads. But before we jump in, please go hit that like and subscribe button to help my channel grow. All right, here's the first thing I want to correct. Most people think authority comes after you get followers, but it's actually the opposite. Followers come after you demonstrate your authority. Authority is not a reward, it's simply a signal that you see a problem clearly and you can explain it simply and you can guide that person or people to a better outcome. And that's why someone can have 800 followers and still land high-ticket clients, and someone else can have 80,000 followers and still struggle to monetize. Because attention is not the same as trust. Trust is what pays you. And I've seen this firsthand. I have less than 2,000 followers in total at the moment, but friends that are big time influencers with 100K plus followers make half the income I do online with 50x the influence. It's kind of crazy. But let's talk about that, because that's where the real trap is, and that's what keeps people stuck. When you're small, you think your job is to get noticed, and so you start optimizing for visibility, trends, hooks, entertainment, and viral formats. And those aren't inherently evil, but here's the catch. Visibility without positioning makes you forgettable or commoditized. And so you get views, but not demand, and you get likes, but not clients, and you get attention, but you're not building authority, because the market doesn't pay attention to just what's loud. The market pays attention to what's clear. So the goal is not to go viral. The goal is to be undeniable to the right people. And that comes from this one thing, your message. If your message is generic, your brand is generic. If your message is sharp, your brand becomes magnetic. And here's the practical framework behind that. Authority is built through these 3 assets, and I want you to write these things down. Clarity, proof, and direction. Clarity is the ability to name the real problem better than your audience can. Proof is your ability to show competence without exaggeration. And direction is your ability to give people a next step that actually helps them. And so let's walk you through these 3 things. Clarity. This is where most people skip the work. They say, I help entrepreneurs grow, or I help businesses scale, or I do marketing. That's not clarity. That's just category. Clarity is a problem statement. I help coaches and consultants turn content into booked calls, or I help service businesses stop wasting ad spend by fixing their offer and follow-up. I help experts build demand online through omnipresent distribution. Do you see the difference? You see, one is vague, one is specific. Specificity feels risky, but it's actually what makes you more valuable to your ideal client. Because when you are so specific to the right people, you're going to feel seen, and they're going to feel seen. And when those people feel seen, they listen. So if you have 0 followers and you want to, build authority fast, your first job is this. Pick one problem you are willing to solve consistently. Not every single problem, just one. If you try to serve everyone, your message will serve no one. Now, proof. This is where people either freeze or they fake it. They think, I don't have proof yet. Well, let me help you. Proof is not just in your numbers. Proof is not just in your screenshots. Proof isn't even just in your case studies. Proof is evidence that you can guide outcomes, and you can build proof in 4 legitimate ways, even if you're new. Number 1, process proof. Show how you think. Do audits. Break down what's wrong and examine how you'd fix it. People trust competence when they can see your reasoning. Number 2, experience proof. If you've built multiple businesses, led teams, sold offers, ran campaigns, created content systems, right? That's proof. not because you say it, but because you can explain what you learned. And number 3 is micro results proof. You don't need $1 million case study to be credible. You need before and after thinking. What changed, why it changed, and what happened next. Number 4 is borrowed credibility proof. You can reference frameworks, principles, and examples from the market, then add your interpretation. Not copying, creating. Your value is the filter. So don't tell yourself you can't build proof. You can build proof through clarity. The market is starving for people who can explain what's happening. Now, direction. Direction is where authority becomes demand, because authority isn't just insight. Authority, again, is guidance. A lot of people can diagnose. Few can direct. Direction means you give people a clear path. If you want to build authority quickly, start documenting your method. Not a fancy course, not a complicated model, not even a funnel. A simple how I solve this path. So here's your starter template. Step 1, identify the constraint. Step 2, fix the message. Step 3, align the offer. Step 4, build the content system. Step 5, amplify and convert. If you do those things consistently, people will start viewing you as the guide. And guides are who get paid. Now I'm going to give you the fastest way to build authority with 0 followers. It's not posting more, it's creating what I call authority assets. An authority asset is a piece of content that does these 3 things. It names the real problem, it reframes the solution, and it gives a path forward. And it's designed to be found again and again and again. And that's the difference between content that gets likes and content that gets clients. Client getting content answers questions people are already asking. If you want authority with 0 followers, stop trying to be interesting all the time. Be useful, but I'm not known. Good. Unknown is clean. Unknown means you can position yourself without any type of baggage. Your job is not to be in fame. Your job is trust. You're not limited or tied down to one frame, which opens your opportunity to test and be an expert that you are. But I don't have enough results. Then show your thinking, show your process, document what you're already doing on a daily basis. And you can do this either for yourself, your team, and clients. But content takes too long. Random content takes a long time, but strategic content compounds. You can take one long form video that becomes your shorts, carousels, email content, retargeting ads, a lead magnet, and a sales asset. Do the things you're already doing and then get a microphone and turn on your camera. That's it. Authority content is not a post. It's really an engine. Now I'll land with this. Stop chasing likes because likes are cheap feedback. Clients are commitment. If you want authority, you need to build clarity. If you want demand, you need to build proof. And you want clients, you need to give direction, because you simply don't need to be famous to be paid. You need to be useful, consistent, and clear. And if this helped you, please subscribe, hit the thumbs up, and comment authority if you're ready to stop posting for attention and start building a brand that attracts clients. Until next time, steward more, stress less. Thank me later. Peace.